September market update already. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, bringing you this month's market update from the heart of Kansas City in Waldo at the Arbor Villa Park. Now, our most asked question this month is, should we list our house now or wait until after the holidays? Well, that's a great question, and it does have some variance in the right answer for you based on your timing, but here's a couple things for you to consider. First of all, your home typically looks the best that it can through the holidays. Your home will be the center of attention since there's usually less homes for sale at the same time through the holidays. And November through January are typically strong months for buyers who are moving in for a relocation company to find a new home. Now, for comparing September 2001 to 2020, in Kansas City overall we saw 5.7% more homes sold. However, 1.8 less homes to go under contract. So we're going to keep an eye on that over the next couple months. In Johnson County, we have 31% less homes for sale than last year, with a 13% increase in price. And for Jackson County, a 10% less homes for sale with a 6% increase in sales price. Now, how does all this impact your home value and your real estate goals? Text us today to find out what homes are selling for in your neighborhood, in addition to the current interest rates in purchasing your future home. If reaching your goal right now through the holidays may actually be the perfect time for you.